How to fix Marble Rival, High Ping, and Package Loss. So what you have to do firstly, you're gonna have to find Marble Rivals on your Steam or Epic Games. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on Properties. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on Install Files and click on Verify this game. Then once you do that, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it for Epic Games. You're gonna go back to Epic Games, click on Library. You're gonna find Marble Rivals, click on the three dots, click on Manage. Then you're gonna have to click on Verify Files. Click on Yes. Then once you're done verifying the files, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on Browse, and then it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down till you find Marble Launcher. Click on it. Click on Properties. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on Compatibility, and you're gonna have to turn this to on. And make sure you do the same thing for Epic Games. What you have to do is you're gonna have to go to Epic Games. Then once you're Epic Games, make sure you go to Library, click on the three dots again, click on Manage. Then once you click on Manage, you just gotta go to this file right here, and it's the same thing just like Steam. If none of them work, you're just gonna cut this out. You're gonna have to go to search, and you're gonna search up fire, and you're gonna search up firewall. Click on open. You're gonna have to click on this one right here, allow an app. You're gonna have to click on change settings. You're gonna have to see if you already have it. As you guys can see, I already have Marble Rivals right here. But if you don't have it, you're gonna have to click on allow another app, browse, and now from here you're gonna have to find Marble Rivals and put it there. Make sure all three of these boxes are ticked, so one right here, and one right here. And once you do that, you're gonna cut all this out. You're gonna have to search up network connection. View network connections, click on open. You're gonna have to right click on network connections. You're gonna have to click on properties. From here, you're gonna have to click on find version 4, which is this one right here. Now you're gonna have to click on properties, and you're gonna have to click on use the following DNS. It's going to be 8888, and the second one's gonna be 8844. Now you're gonna have to click on then once you put that DNS for the internet, just click on close. And your problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.